beautiful people, it's all about Bedianawalkerdoings, and we are back again with another recipe. So today we are coming to make shortbread. Yeah, so this is our butter here, and this is my brown sugar and white sugar. I mix them together. Yeah, so we are going to cream it. Our creamy texture. So I'm adding my vanilla essence or my vanilla powder before I'll add my flour. Okay, so this is my butter and sugar. It's not creamy, so I'll add my flour. It's all about Bedianawalkerdoings. Please, to all my returning subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you for vibing with me. So I'm adding my flour. We are doing shortbread, yeah. Okay, so now this is the butter, sugar, and my flour. I'm mixing them. I'm adding my vanilla essence. So now I'm mixing it. We are doing shortbread. Okay, so this is our shortbread. We are now going to fold or shape or cut in a desirable shape I want. Yeah, so yeah, so creamy, so the butter is too much, you can see it. Yeah.